We're looking here at the Visual Mills Tools tab, and remember, if you don't see the tab over here on the side, go under Visual Mill, little toolbar, and go to Cutting Tool Browser, and that will open the tab back up. So right now we're going to open this. We're going to look at the icons across the top here. The first is the Create Edit Tools, so that we can take existing tools and change their parameters. You can also load a tool library, and a tool library is a listing of tools pre-made with all the parameters included, and we'll talk about that later. We can also select tools from the library. Sometimes tool manufacturers will actually give you tool libraries of all of their inventory with all the specs and that type of thing in industry. So we don't often want to load that entire library into our local file, so we can open the library, and just select those tools out that we want. The next one is List Tools, which will let you see all the tools that are being currently used and kind of a summary of their specifications. Handy little feature. The next one is Save Tool Library, which will let you actually take the tool library that you create and move it to either another machine, another drawing, that type of thing. And so in this class you'll be developing your own tool library that you'll be able to carry with you with all the specifications of the tools you're using. We'll cover that in a different video. The last one here is Compute Tool Holder Collision. If you give VisualCAM the correct specifications for the tools, tool length, holder size, things like that, it can actually compute when the non-cutting portions of the tool or the tool holder itself contacts the work, which will be a crash in the machine, can damage the machine. So we want to look for these kind of errors. It's not 100% guaranteed. You still need to understand where the tool will be moving and how it relates to your stock, but it is kind of a good kind of overview to look for obvious errors.